Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make 2-ingredient truffles. Combine chopped chocolate and heavy cream in a heatproof bowl, then melt gently until smooth. Stir until glossy, then chill the ganache until firm enough to scoop. Scoop tablespoon-sized portions. Let's talk ingredients so you get perfect truffles every time. Pick chocolate with good cocoa content for depth, and match cream richness to the chocolate for balance. For dairy-free, use ripe mashed avocado and blend until silky, then chill to firm up. A small pinch of salt or a dash of vanilla or liqueur lifts the flavor without overwhelming the simple 2-ingredient base. Keep measurements equal for predictable results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to keep water handy while you cook. It's leak-proof, easy to hold, and brightens the counter, perfect companion for tasting sessions. I find it saves messes and keeps me sipping between bites. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Shaping makes your truffles look homemade and professional with minimal effort. After chilling the ganache, scoop uniform portions and roll them gently between your palms, wiping hands as needed. If the mixture softens, return the tray to the fridge briefly to firm up. Finish by rolling in cocoa powder, chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or dip in melted chocolate for a glossy shell. Store in a cool place and serve chilled for best results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.